So here are two apps that can help you get free virtual debit or credit card here in Ghana. All you need is your ID or passport, and you can fund these cards with your Momo, BTC, or any other currency that you might be dealing with. So make sure you pay attention to this tutorial because this is the best and trusted one I've been using for the past 6 months, and it has been working. And if you are new to this channel, I have about 2 videos about how you use Accrue to create this virtual card and use it for your online transaction like shopping online, sending money to people, buying gift card, anything of that sort. Let's begin. So the first app I'll be talking about is, of course, you know it already, but let me introduce it again. Accrue. So Accrue helps you create a virtual dollar card, save in dollars, invest in stocks and all that. But today we are using it for getting a virtual card. So take your phone, whether Android or iPhone, go to the Play Store, let's start. So this is how the apps look. Accrue. I have an account already, and if you are struggling with a referral code, I have a link down below. When you sign up, you get $1 bonus just for signing up with my referral code. So after signing up, make sure you sign in. And the necessary part is make sure you have gone through all the verification process and have your account with a green check mark. That means you are able to do almost 90% of everything that's in the app. So before you can deposit the card or create the card, you need to get at least $5 aside. The minimum deposit on the card is $5 with a deposit fee or maybe transaction fee of $1. So let's say $6 for funding the card, and you need to buy the card for $2 and maintenance fee of $1. So let's say you need to budget about $10 to $12 for this transaction to happen. So after signing up, make sure you go to the home page and click on deposit. You choose the first one, cash camp. If you are familiar with crypto, you choose the crypto or deposit link. So I'm choosing the cash camp. Let's say I'm depositing $15. You choose your payment method, mobile money, that's what I mostly use. You click on continue, and they will assign you an agent who is active on the app. And every agent has its own price or rate. Just check the one that's most convenient for you and deal with them. After paying the vendor on the app, just click on initiate payment to have paid, and the dollar will be deposited into your account. After that, you come back and go to the cards option where you can see I have a dollar card in already. Just click on new card. You just name your card, fill in some 1 or 2 forms, and enter how much you want to deposit on the card. So everything has been explained here. Creation fee is $3, maintenance is $1, funding fee is also $1. So let's say you are using $15, they will debit $14 and deposit $10 into the account with $1 transaction fee, $3 creation fee, and monthly maintenance of $1. So after that, you click on request a card, and within 5 minutes your card should be ready with your details for use. That's simple and fast, right? Yeah, so that's the first one. So now let's move on to the second one. The second one is quite simple. That's the Ecobank app. You need to create an account for this to work. So if you don't necessarily need to go to the bank to create this account. So all you need to do is open the Ecobank account, use your phone number and your phone number and your ID card. Just follow the on-screen prompts, create an account, set up a password, and you can send money from mobile money to your account or any bank account to your Ecobank account. And when you come to the home page, just go to cards and click on virtual cards. You can see a virtual card here, and it has a prompt for you to create a virtual card. So let's wait for a few seconds, and you select a currency, that's Ghana cedis, and the type of card. Let's say you need to give the card to someone you are using for shopping. So I'm choosing a shopping card since I'll be buying stuff online. Then you click on continue. So before you do this, make sure you have enough balance in your Ecobank account before you proceed. And the minimum is 25 cedis and the maximum is 5,000 cedis. And I think this is a fair deal. You just need to choose the account, the Express account. You enter your phone number and the amount that will be deposited on the virtual card. And after that, you enter your email address. You click on continue. Less than 1 hour, your cash should be ready in the Ecobank app for you. And I think this also applies to GT Bank and Ghana Commercial Bank. I'm yet to confirm from the other bank. So these are the best and trusted ways you can create and fund a free virtual debit or credit card here in Ghana, or if you are in Nigeria and any other African countries. Make sure you like, drop a comment, and I'll see you again in the next video.